everyone, I'm Audi from Hui Company. Today, I will introduce our nonwoven production line to you. Okay, let's start here. This is our feeding system, but the storage tank is underground. The PP raw material is pumped up through these pipes to this vacuum feeder. The main usage of this device is to mix PP and additives such as color mask batch, anti-accident, fire retardant with certain ratio. This is control system of this feeding device. It's very intelligent. Okay, let's follow the camera down to see the next process. We will go downstairs. When the raw materials are mixed, they will enter the screw extruder. The screw extruder is heated by electricity, and through this extruder, the raw material will be cut into pieces and then will be heated and melted so as to process. Because this production line is 1.8 meters SSMS, so we total have 4 screw extruders. At present in the camera, you have seen a total of 3 S-part extruders and another M-part extruder line below. And this smaller extruder is recycle extruder. It can help recycle the waste rim, the woven fabric. And you can see the seam clothes connected to it. If the machine inactive, it will work automatically. Okay, let's continue the next process. When the material becomes the fusion, it will through filter and metering pump. Here we will give a close-up. This is filter and this is metering pump. They are all controlled by the intelligent systems. After fusion has been filtered and measured, spinning begins. This is spinning box. Spinning box is a very important component. The fusion will be spun into silk thread here. The gram weight range of this machine is from 20 gram to 75 gram. So let's go down and have a look, and we'll see more clearly below. So far we have gone down the stair twice. It's very noisy here because the workers are installing the machine. Okay, now we can see the whole spinning box. It's very beautiful. And our engineers are trying to open it so that we can see it more clearly. Maybe the structure is complex and may take some time. Let's follow him and have a look. And here is M part and another extruder just mentioned. I'll come back to this part later. Now let's focus on the spinning system of the S part. Here, S means spun bond and M means milled blown. Therefore, SSMS means that the production line is composed of 3 spun bond machines and 1 milled blown machine. At this time, let's introduce the air control system. You can see these two and connected ventilation ducts through which we carry hot air or cool air to keep the constant temperature in the spinning box. In this air conditioner system, we have air tank, air blower, suction air blower, and we also have a chiller. And this is the milled blown rose blower made by American JD company. Here we give a close-up view. It's of good quality. Finally, we open the spinning box and we can see this spinner rate. In the spinning box, the spinner rate is installed on the top. It has many small holes where the 6th thread come out. When the 6th thread comes out, it will be stretched by the stretch device, so it will become more and more thin. Okay, now let's talk about M part, which has the seam feeding system and the extruder SS part. But the screw diameter of its extruder is slightly smaller. Unlike the S part, the milled blown box has no scratch system. The silk thread it blows will go directly into the conveyor belt. Now, it's not above the conveyor belt. It can move by the truck according to your need. When it moves above the conveyor belt, it can produce the woven fabric on the conveyor belt directly. Now, let's take a look at it from below. It also has many small holes, from which raw materials blown out to form milled blown nonwoven. If you want to produce SSMS nonwoven fabric, you can move the milled blown box by this truck. If you don't do that like now, you can produce SSS nonwoven fabric. Hey, come here, I will show you the fabric forming machine. When the spinning silk thread comes down, nonwoven fabric will be formed on the conveyor belt. Let's go up and learn about the forming process of this nonwoven fabric. The first thing we see is the down stretching device, and what is connected to it is the upper stretching device. And through these two devices, we will stretch the silk thread thinner and eventually form a nonwoven fabric on the red conveyor belt. When the nonwoven fabric is initially formed, it will be pressed by the pre-press roller immediately, then enter the calendar for the final pressing. Let's go down and take a look at the front of this calendar. Now we are going to fast forward the video. Now what you see is the calendar, also known as rolling mill. This production line used Guangyu mill, which is the #1 brand in China. It has 3 rulers, and the one above is the pattern ruler, which controls the pattern of nonwoven fabric. Apart from this, we have other famous brands for you to choose from. This is the reserved position. The later machine is the lap winder, which mainly collects the nonwoven fabric into rolls. Let's take a look at the front. It also has a lot of rollers, and the nonwoven fabric are wound around these rollers. As you can see, this lap winder can process 1.8 meters wide nonwoven fabric. The following rollers are designed to carry finished nonwoven fabric. When it's filled with nonwoven fabric on the lap winder, it can be unloaded to the slater and cut to the width you want. Okay, now let's cut in a video to show what it's like when it's working. Here we go. When it has wound enough nonwoven fabric, it will be hoisted to the slotting machine. After the introduction of the lap winder, there is only the slotting machine left. As you can see in the video just below, the slotting machine works with the lap winder. Let's take a look at our slotting machine on the spot. The first thing you see is the cutting blade. There are 11 of them, which are mainly used to cut the finished nonwoven rolls. You just need to set the cutting width and the machine will work automatically. Its stability and quality are very good. The cutting efficiency is also very high, and the speed can reach 1000 meters per minute. This slating machine is suitable for production line of 1.8 meters wide, and its cutting width can be as small as this. This is exactly the width of the mask, and if you need a larger width, of course you can adjust to what you need. Let's insert its working video. Finally, let's take a complete look at this production line.